In today's class, we will be learning the topic, soil. Soil can be defined as the unconsolidated weathered materials found in the uppermost layer of the Earth's surface on which plants grow. It provides support and nutrients for the plants. Types of soil. The three types of soil are sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. Sandy soil. A soil is said to be sandy if the proportion of sand particles in a sample of the soil is high. Properties of sandy soil. Sandy soil is coarse, grained and gritty. It is loose with large pore spaces. It absorbs and loses water easily. It is not sticky when wet and cannot form a cast or ribbon. It is well aerated with low water holding capacity. Clay soil. A soil is said to be clayed if the proportion of clay in a sample of the soil is very high. Properties of clayed soil. The particles are fine, powdery and smooth when dry. The particles are sticky and moody when wet. The particles are tightly bound together with little pore, air, spaces. It has a high water holding capacity. It is poorly aerated. Loamy soil. Loamy soil is a mixture of sand and clay particles with high proportion of organic matter. Properties of loamy soil. Loamy soil is moist, loose with moderate-sized pore space. The structure breaks easily when wet and friable when dry. It has non-powdery and non-sticky texture. It can easily be worked or cultivated. It contains lots of organic matter, humus. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.